Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Jesse Nagy of ZeroBase Energy. Today's warfare units are the smartest, most athletic, and best of all, the most tactically inclined-minded individuals that have ever existed in history. We don't fight wars with swords and shields. We use our minds, we use our intelligence, and communication. How do we do this? We have an infrastructure developed around power and utilizing things to the utmost of our ability. ZeroBase Energy has been producing energy systems for the Department of Defense since 2009. We have our systems deployed all over the world. Today, I'd like to introduce to you our newest in lineup, the Forge Scout, man-packable, one-man carry, personal power system. So let's talk about the features to expect from the Forge Scout. Monica? Starting off, it isn't a super compact modular size. It comes complete with a 600 watt power supply, 1600 watt battery, all at the same weight of a conventional automotive grade battery. 67 pounds. Thank you, Monica. Let's open it all up, and what you'll find inside of the enclosure is all the cables you need to utilize the system. With just a simple on and off main system, total system switching, running in less time than it took me to open the case. Voltage meter on the front tells you your current battery state of charge, and the GFCI is mounted directly underneath the case in order to increase the IP rating. On the side you'll find your DC input, which works with anything from 12 volt, 24 NATO, all the way to a solar. 12 volt, like you would expect from any automotive outlet, and USB. 120 out with the NEMA standard 5, like you would expect in all North American countries, and the AC input, similar to what you'd find in the back of a PC. Now, the ultimate goal when we were constructing this new system was to make something that could go anywhere. Our troops go everywhere, why can't our systems? This particular system was designed for Arctic and hazardous weather, where harsh chemicals might corrode and destroy most conventional power supplies. IP67 was our goal. This is completely submersible inside of water without any detrimental effects to the electrical components inside. Turn the system on and get 100% reliable power. So to demonstrate the diversity and the quick connection, I'll start off with the solar input. Line up the simple key maneuver. Form factor sits directly inside of the locking mechanism. Sleeve comes down, just like you've been doing your entire military career. Switching over, we all know about the standard 24 volt NATO, so of course we provided a 24 volt NATO charging cable. Works exactly the same way. Look at your pins, line up with the system, twist lock, and plug in. Instantly charging your system. Also exact same premise for the 12 volt connector. Now, where this really shines is its accessibility with the AC, which you'll utilize anytime you want to hybrid this with a generator. 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatts, source does not matter. The system is intuitive and will form fit anything to what you need. Simply plug in and you're done. In closing, utilizing the top in innovation technology today, we've managed to take 600 watts to over 2 hours of runtime capacitance, optimize DC and AC inputs and outputs, and put it in a simple, easy to carry, and intuitive system deployable anywhere in the world.